Okay, you're looking at silver, the iShares Silver Trust SLV, and we're looking at a high back here in August of 2016, a low here in March of 2020, and then we project forward this square in price and time using the scale, a range of 8.85 points divided by 0.1, which is our scale. That gives us 89 days. So that's the distance from this high here to this point here is 88.5, 89 days. All right, so you're using price to get the time distance across. So we continue forward using the same range of 8.85 points in price, and we use 89 trading days in time. That gives you the square. Now, you're saying, well, wait a second, this is not useful because, you've exceeded the square. What do we do then? Well, when that happens, then you add a square on top of a square. Notice 1/4 of the way through this second square up in time was a high, and then halfway through the square was a low, 3/4 was a high, completion of the square, pretty close to it, was a low. So that works out pretty well. Now, if you want to continue the square forward in time, then you'll notice 1/4 of the way through the square was close to a high, and then, or you could call it a low here. And then here you had a low, here a low, and we believe here it's probably a low. But you don't leave your analysis off there. You take it forward. You say, okay, if we're using 0.1 points as our scale, okay, the 1 by 1 is 0.1. And that gave us support here at 20.68 this coming week, mid-August. So if you bounce off that, then you'll go higher. If you close below it, maybe you'll go lower. But the reality is we'll be watching it either way because we're squaring out. We're completing a second square in time as we go forward. This actually last week was a second square in time, the completion of that second square. And then as we go forward, we might say, hey, what if we do bounce? Well, then we'll be looking at this 1 by 1 drawn down from high at 22.44. So the 1 by 1 drawn down from high gives us resistance at 22.44, and the 1 by 1 drawn up from low gives us support at 20.771. And so that's the two levels we'll be watching this coming week. And if you close either side of these, then you know what direction it's going. So that's, in a nutshell, how you would use the square of the range by price. You can also square the range by time. That's a story for another day. Right now, I just wanted to show a quick example on silver, how you square the range by price. If you find this interesting and you'd like to see reports, the complete report on silver, go to our website, www.gannanalysis.net. In the upper right corner, you'll see a shop button. Hit it and sign up for a 3-month trial subscription. It's not expensive. You try it for 3 months to see how you like it. And if you like it, hopefully you stay with us. We're not interested to get you for just 3 months. We want to provide value for money, and you will get more analysis like this if you sign up for the service. Not just on silver, but gold, platinum, precious metals in general, and of course commodities in general, and stocks, bonds, forex, and crypto. So whatever your game is, you can do Gann analysis on any of those markets and you'll find it useful. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful to you.